If you want to learn AI on Coursera from beginner to pro, you're in the right place. With thousands of AI courses available, knowing where to start can be confusing. In this video, I'll show you the best learning path using 3 highly rated courses that build your skills step by step. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. The first course is AI for Everyone by deeplearning.ai, created by Andrew Ng. With more than 50,000 learner reviews and outstanding ratings, it's one of the most popular AI courses on Coursera. You'll learn what AI is, how it works, where it's used, and how it's transforming industries. Best of all, you don't need any programming experience. Next is Google Introduction to AI. This beginner-friendly course helps you understand generative AI, responsible AI, and practical business applications. Google's clear teaching style and industry credibility make it an excellent next step after learning the fundamentals. Finally, if you're ready to become job-ready, the Google AI Professional Certificate is one of the best choices. This comprehensive program teaches prompt engineering, AI-powered productivity, data analysis, and practical AI skills that employers are looking for. You'll complete hands-on projects while earning a professional certificate from Google that you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. By following these 3 courses in order, you'll move from understanding AI concepts to developing practical skills and finally, earning an industry-recognized credential that supports your career goals. If you plan to complete all 3 programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, deeplearning.ai, Vanderbilt University, Meta, and many other top institutions. You'll also earn certificates for eligible programs at no extra cost. If you're serious about learning AI from beginner to pro in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to build valuable skills while saving money. If you found this roadmap helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.